Hello guys, good to see you back. Once again I'm back with a new tutorial related JavaScript. And in this tutorial we are going to learn how can we modify and delete array elements. In our previous tutorial we learned how we can create arrays. Suppose by mistake you pass wrong age to the student and now you want to modify this value. Basically you want to change one index number value. For that you need to take the variable name and then array index number and you need to assign a new value. And it's going to replace the value with the new value. So let's start the practical. So as you can see, side by side I open my Visual Studio Code editor and my browser using Live Server extension, and I already created a HTML document named index.html. And here you can see a variable named array. And here you can see in our array we have total 4 values, and it is a single dimensional array. So at first I want to change student name. For that I'm going to re-declare the variable array. Then inside the square braces, I'm going to pass the index number, which is 0. Then assign with, inside the double quotes, I'm going to put a new name, which is Harry. This I'm going to end this line. So let's print the document in our browser. At first, I'm going to print the document without change. So here I'm going to type document dot write. Inside the round braces, I'm going to pass the variable name, which is array. Then I'm going to duplicate this line. And now I'm going to move it down after the change. So let's set the file. As you can see in my browser, it's changed the name of the student, Harry. Let me add a BR tag to make it clear. So here I'm going to use concatenation sign. Then inside the double quotes, I'm going to use BR tag. BR. And set this file. So now it's clear for you. It's modify our student name perfectly. Now let's talk about how we can delete array values. As you can see, we have total 4 values in our array. But I want to delete one of these values. To delete array values, we have predefined keyword in JavaScript, which is delete. So I'm going to comment out this line and then I'm going to type delete. Delete. Then we need to call our variable name array. And inside the square braces, we need to pass the index number. And I want to delete add one age. That's why I'm going to pass index number 1. And so I'm going to end this line. If I save this file, as you can see, now you can see in my browser, it's print student name, his gender, and his class. And it delete his age. But if you notice, you can see there is 2 comma. It's mean this delete keyword just delete the value, not the index number. The index number is still exist, but it removed the value only. So I hope now it's clear for you how it's work. In our upcoming tutorials, we are going to learn more about array. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned.